Right now, Africa holds less than 2% of the world's data center capacity. That means almost all of our AI processing happens abroad. But that's about to change. Companies like Cassava Technologies in South Africa are building Africa's first AI factory, powered by NVIDIA Tech, a place where AI models are trained on African soil. Because here's the truth, if we don't own the infrastructure, we don't own the value. AI must speak our languages. That's why Bothale AI in South Africa and Langbot in Ghana are training models in Swahili, Zulu, Yoruba, even Pidgin, to capture African nuance. If AI doesn't understand us, it simply can't serve us. Buying AI tools isn't the same as building AI capacity. That's why Andela and ALX Africa are training a new generation of African AI engineers and data analysts, the people who turn tools into real commercial value. Without African talent, those tools sit idle. It's not enough to use AI built elsewhere. Africa must build its own. In Nigeria, MoneyPoint is already using AI to fight fraud and analyze merchant behavior, using local data to solve local problems at scale. That's what African AI creating African value looks like. So here's the takeaway. If Africa gets infrastructure, language, skills, and ownership right, we won't just ride the AI wave, we'll own it. Follow Explore Africa Daily for the future of African innovation.